Thank you so much for paying attention, and we are ready for to do number 11. Let's take a look at number 11. Sabri is using place value blocks to work on a math problem. The answer to the problem he is trying to solve is, let's count this first, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the place value blocks here shows 155. Now, which equation will give us 155? Let's see, there's 100 and 55. They add each other, would give us 155. C is the correct answer. That is how you do number 11. When you can't do it this fast, this easily, you just have to add them all, one by one. Number 12. Again, our old friend, number 12. Solve by replacing the rectangle and triangle with either 10 or 1000. So 100 plus rectangle and triangle equal to 1110. Now, again, like I said before, cross this out. Don't even look at this. This does not help us to differentiate between the rectangle and the triangle. All right? We can put 10 in both places here, and same with 1000. It doesn't matter. Only look at the second one. First, I want you to not look at the two rectangles, okay? Because remember, we're adding the rectangle, we're also taking away the rectangle. Therefore, the value of the rectangle here actually doesn't change the outcome for our equation, which yields 110 as its answer. So we're thinking 100 plus blank, which is triangle, is going to give us 110. So would 10 fit here or 1000 fit here? Obviously, the answer here is 10. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put 10 in for triangle. Now, if we're going to put 10 in for triangle, the only other number left is 1000. And that's what we are going to put for the rectangle. That's how you work this one out. You will write 1000 in its place for the rectangle. Remember, write it on the line on the bottom, not in the box, okay? Don't write it here. Write it on the line, please. Thank you. Number 13. Carter's grandmother lives 177 miles away from his house. His aunt Laura lives 100 more miles away than his grandmother. His uncle Thomas lives 10 fewer miles away than his aunt Laura. How far does Carter live from his uncle Thomas's house? I will highlight certain words here. When you're taking your test, you should underline it, okay? His aunt Laura lives 100 more miles away, and his uncle Thomas lives 10 fewer miles away. So what does this mean? This means I have to add 100 since 100 more, and then take away 10 since it's 10 fewer from 177. So let's do this. 177 plus 100. Obviously, the answer here is 277. Take away 10. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 take away 1 is 6. Bring the 2 down. The answer here is 267. Now, which one? C is the correct answer. That's how you do number 13.